We're living in a time when the consequences of our decisions as humans over the last 200 years are really starting to make themselves felt. If that kind of healthy community is already in place, that can really kick in very fast in times of emergency.
What makes this place distinctive is that we practice neighbourliness. I'm not so zoned in on whether I like someone or I don't like them. I'm more zoned in on how they contribute to everyone's well-being.
Earthsong is a 32-home co-housing neighbourhood. It's based on both social and environmental sustainability. A lot of the ways that we have designed our neighbourhood fulfil both.
We have 4 washing machines and not 32 washing machines, and we have 2 lawnmowers instead of 32 lawnmowers. Being able to share not just your material wealth but your skills.
It's a richer way of thinking about the world than I would think on my own.
There are so many things that we know about how to design well that aren't being done, and yet those extreme climate events are happening more and more often. It's a recipe for disaster.
The point of these communities, the fundamental point, was not to provide a nice place for people to live. It was to demonstrate some possibilities so that we can see, what does resilience look like? How does it work? Well, we've been practicing that.
We have an even greater responsibility now to say, look, actually it can be done, here's how it works. That's something that we can offer our wider neighbours to make us more resilient.